Data scientists tackle questions about the future. Data scientists have changed almost every single industry. In medicine, their algorithms help predict patient side effects. In sports, their models and metrics have redefined athletic potential. Data science has even tackled traffic, with route optimizing models that capture typical rush hours. Today, I'm going to be detailing 3 of these radical changes. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. Hello, my name is Rohak and I am the founder of Empower Code, helping you make a change with technology. Today marks the second to last episode of my course, Data Science for Media Bias Detection, where we will be discussing 3 real-life applications of data science. The first application has to do with healthcare. Metastatic cancer, a disease which spreads dangerous and deadly pathogens from a primary site to different or secondary sites within the host body, reduces life expectancy to less than 6 weeks. But, like always, data science is there to save the day. Google has developed a tool called Lina, which uses machine learning to identify breast cancer tumors that relocate to nearby lymph nodes. The relocation and nodes themselves can be extremely difficult and challenging to see and notice with the naked eye. Surprisingly, in one of its trials, Lina accurately identified metastatic cancer 99% of the time, using its image recognition algorithm powered by machine learning and data science. Now that is awesome. The second application of data science involves optimizing package routing. Picture yourself as a UPS worker. Every day you have nearly 100 packages to deliver, but traffic gets in your way and you scratch your head, trying to find a quicker way. Once again, data science comes to the rescue. UPS released its latest platform, Network Planning Tools, which incorporates machine learning and artificial intelligence to dynamically reroute packages around bad weather or service issues. In fact, according to a company forecast, the platform could save UPS $100 to $200 million by 2021. But data science isn't always about the technical side of things. If you're a basketball fan, you'll like this one. RSPCT, an Israeli company that brings precision to shooting analytics, has created a shooting analysis system, which relies on a tiny sensor located on a basketball hoop's rim, whose tiny camera tracks exactly when and where the ball strikes on each and every basket attempt. With this, the data is displayed on a device that displays shot details in real time and generates predictive insights. Well, now you have seen 3 large-scale applications of data science. But what's special about these applications is that they are made to improve the quality of existing products and technologies. In the long run, however, these innovations can change lives. I hope you've enjoyed this short glimpse into the applications of data science. Check out the previous videos in this course to learn how data science can be used and applied to detect news bias in the media, another application of this fascinating tool. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn to make a change with data science.